Welcome to Nextgen. Today I'll show you exactly how you can use ChatGPT to make 1,000 rupees or more per day, with zero coding, zero investment, and no advanced skills. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an AI tool that can write content, answer questions, generate ideas, and even act like a virtual assistant. People are already making money by using it for tasks they sell as services. Method 1. Freelance writing. Use the ChatGPT to write blog posts, create product descriptions, rewrite resumes, post your services on Fiverr, Upwork, or Internshala. You write nothing. ChatGPT does it all. You just review and deliver. Method 2. Sell digital products. Use ChatGPT to create eBooks, Notion templates, Instagram captions. Sell them on Gumroad, Etsy, or through WhatsApp groups. One-time effort, long-term earnings. Method 3. Social media content creation. Use ChatGPT to generate Twitter threads, LinkedIn posts, Instagram carousel content. Offer content packs to creators, coaches, or local businesses. Bonus. YouTube scripts. ChatGPT can even write YouTube scripts, like the one you're hearing right now. You can start your own faceless channel just like this. AI does the writing. Free tools handle the video. Which method will you try first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell, because every week we uncover tools and tricks to help you earn smarter with AI. This is Nextgen. The next generation is now.